and welcome to a quick introduction to Sage's MyAssistant for Payroll. Today we're going to talk about how the MyAssistant module can be added to your Sage 300 construction and real estate portfolio to expand upon all of your payroll and human resources needs in being proactive with all of the different information that's in payroll and being able to also get it out quickly and easily to all the people who need to see it. Specifically, being able to be more efficient with your time, with your money, and your sanity in terms of making sure that everything is being taken care of on that side of the equation. MyAssistant is, in general, a software that allows you to take action upon a variety of different things within Sage environment. You can run reports automatically on a schedule or when certain criteria are met. You can have it notify you when information is getting to a red zone, somewhere where you need to take action if it proceeds any further. Also, it can automatically send things to people when you need it to. And that's where I'm going to start with today on this particular presentation, in that with your payroll department, you probably have direct deposit statements. These are statements that historically I've talked to people, and it could take a day or two just compiling all the direct deposit statements, printing them out, putting them in envelopes, buying stamps, putting stamps on, and mailing them to each of your employees. What if I told you MyAssistant can make that process be instantaneous without any work on your part? That's exactly what I'm talking about. We can, through MyAssistant, automatically trigger your direct deposits to be emailed to your particular employees as soon as you post your direct deposit statement, or as soon as you do a generate direct deposit statement in Sage. It's as simple as that. The act of doing so triggers something in MyAssistant that will then automatically send out a direct deposit statement that you can have with a little email body saying whatever you want it to say. Please see the attached pay statement, and a PDF document that is pre-built, ready to go. Send it out to your employees, and they just have it in their inbox. It can be password protected, maybe with their social security number, so that nobody else can read those direct deposit statements that they shouldn't be seen. But again, this is something we can set up and have it turned on pretty quickly in MyAssistant, as it is one of the common tasks turned on within their software. We can actually do this on the payroll, not only on the payroll side, but we have it for the accounts payable direct deposits, or EFTs, as well. And we also have the ability to do lots of other things within MyAssistant, specifically on the payroll side and beyond. Some of the stuff's on the screen right here, where you can see we can set things up as simple as, hey, email me when an employee's birthday is coming up next month. That way I can start the planning process if I want to do that. That's a simple, fun thing. But more important things could be information like, show me all my unposted payroll checks greater than $2,500. I want to know if there's money sitting out there that I'm not accounted for. I'd like to know if any of my local union records are expiring soon. I want to know if any of my fringes are going above and beyond a certain number, or deductions are missing from a particular week. Really, it runs the gamut. The idea that MyAssistant uses is that it'll look at your data and you tell it, I have a red flag here, meaning maybe I want to say if an employee has 2 paychecks for the same pay period, email me and notify me that. I would like to know if I accidentally paid them twice, or if they're getting 2 different pieces on there. Notify me if if their vacation is coming due. Lots of different information in the system that we could take advantage of on the payroll side, and allowing you to get that information. An example of what one of these emails could look like is a simple one, just letting you know all of my employees that don't have an email address. As we talked about earlier, there's that scenario that you have where you want to get your direct deposits out to each of your employees quickly. Well, it's going to be important that you have their email address in the system to do so. And the system will allow you to do that. Just have it send you an email letting you know everyone who's missing an email address. And if you happen to have the My Communicator add-on on top, you can actually take this live and right from here as well, open up any of these employees and actually type in their email address into the system. So I can update this to callin@sage.com. And that'll update it right from Outlook into my payroll and allow it to go completely through the system without having to open up the payroll module at all. So this was a brief introduction to the piece that we're talking about today, the MyAssistant for Payroll. If you are curious about having any other information on this or pricing, please contact your Sage account manager, 800-858-7095, and we'll get you all the pricing and information you need. Thank you for your time.